It's the latest cold case potentially cracked using DNA and genealogy. 59-year-old Mark Manteuffel is accused of 3 sexual assaults in Northern California in the early 90s. Police say he's a retired federal corrections officer and briefly taught criminal justice classes at Sacramento State.
Predators and monsters can't hide forever any longer.
Genetic genealogy has led to dozens of arrests nationwide, including suspected Golden State killer Joseph DeAngelo. By putting crime scene DNA profiles in a public database like GEDmatch, authorities can identify relatives of a suspect. Then genealogists build family trees to find the actual suspect. That's what pointed detectives in Washington state to William Talbot. He was just found guilty of murdering a couple in 1987, the first conviction by jury tied to genetic genealogy.
This truly is a revolution in crime fighting, and genetic genealogy is not going away now.
But it also raises privacy questions because information from innocent people is being used without their knowledge. Last month, GEDmatch changed its policies so law enforcement can only search users who give their consent.
The new policy change at GEDmatch means that it will take longer to identify many of these violent criminals and get them off the streets.
A fierce debate at the intersection of safety and privacy. Joe Fryer, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.